Hello children, I am your EVS teacher. In the last class, you learned the lesson super senses. In this lesson, you learned different types of animal behaviors. Now in this class, let's have move on to the textual questions. Okay, what was the first question? How did the guard ant recognize the other ants were not from its group? So how it recognize? Ants can recognize other ants by its smell. How can it recognize? Ants can recognize by its smell. Okay, for example, drop some sugar or jaggery or anything sweet on the ground. Jaggery means bellam. Okay, so anything sweet on the ground. Wait until the ants come there. Then how much time it takes? How long did it take for ants to come? That means within minutes the ants surround the food. Within minutes the ants surround the food. Next, did one ant come first or a group of ants came together? First one ant come, then a group of ants came together. What was the answer? One ant came first, then a group of ants came together. What did the ants do with the food? The ants carried the food to their hole. Hole means ant hole. Okay. So where do they go from there? They went to their ant hole. From there, do they move in a line? Yes. Ants always move in a line. Okay. Yes, they always move in a line. Now next one. Now carefully without harming the ants. That means block their path for a while within a pencil. What we have to do? So without harming the ants, block their path for a while with a pencil. Okay, now observe. How do the ants move? So how they move means even after blocking their path. Path means way. The ants climb up the pencil and move in a straight line. How they move? The ants climb up the pencil and move in a straight line. Okay children? That means always ants move in a line. In what ways do human beings make use of special sense of smell of dogs? In what ways do human beings make use of special sense of smell of dogs? How can we use? Here, to catch thieves. To catch thieves and finding bombs. That means dog squad. Okay. Okay. Next one. When do you find your sense of smell helpful to you? List some examples. Like to know by its smell that food has gone bad or that something is burning. Okay, what was the answer? Our sense of smell can be helpful to avoid accidents. In case of gas leak. In case of gas leak in kitchen. And burning wires, not only wires, anything, that means papers, clothes, whatever it is, we can detect easily. Okay, and flowers, perfumes, etc. Okay, our sense of smell can helpful to avoid accidents in case of gas leaks, burning wires, flowers, and perfumes. Okay? Okay, next one. Name the animals that you would be able to recognize only by their smell without seeing them. Without seeing them. So we can easily recognize cow, dog, fish, etc. by their smell. Okay children? By their smell we can easily recognize these animals, not only these, some other animals also we can detect by their smell. Okay. Okay. Next one, write the names of 5 things whose smell you like, and 5 things whose smell you do not like. What was the question? Write the names of 5 things whose smell you like, and 5 things whose smell you do not like. Okay. So here the table is, first one I like the smell of, and next one I do not like the smell of. Okay. So what kind of things you like their smell? That means first one, perfumes, flowers, incense sticks, favorite food, powder. Perfumes. Perfumes means body sprays, scents. These are perfumes. Flowers like jasmines, roses, such type of flowers we can easily recognize. Incense sticks. Incense sticks means agarbatti. Okay. Next one, favorite food like biryani, chicken, fish, potato curry. Such type of your favorite foods we can easily recognize by their smell. Okay. Powder, Pond's, Synthol, whatever it is. Okay. Next one, I do not like the smell of. Okay. What are those? Garbage means dust. Dust means chetta, waste material. Okay. So decomposable material, that is called garbage. Okay. Cow dung, potty, prawn, rotten egg. Okay. Rotten egg means ಹುಳ್ಳಿನ ಕೋಡಿಗುಡ್ಡು. Okay. Okay. So these things we can recognize by their smell. So we don't like such type of things. Okay. Okay. Next, do you and your friends have similar answers? No. No one do not have same answers. Why? Because some members like such type of favorite foods. Not only they like all kind of food items. Okay. So that's why no one do not have similar answers. Okay. Next question. Here the first question, Sushila. So what happened here? Sushila and Rajni both are sisters. So Sushila went to market. She left her son with Rajni. Okay. So both the babies did potty at the same time. So what happened in that time? Here Sushila covered her nose when she cleaned Deepak's nappy. Okay. So but not when she cleaned her daughter. Why do you think she did this? Okay. So what happened? She didn't cover her nose when she cleaned her baby, but when she cleaned her sister's daughter nappy, she covered her nose with dupatta. Why? Because when we feel something is dirty, we find its bad smell. Sushila felt Deepak's nappy is dirty, so she had to cover her nose while cleaning, whereas when she cleaned her daughter's nappy, she did not feel being dirty. So that's why she covered her nose when she cleaned her sister's daughter's nappy. Okay. Now second one, how do you feel when you walk near a heap of garbage? Think of the children who spend the whole day picking things from such garbage. Okay. So we feel very bad when we walk near a heap of garbage, but the children who spend their whole day picking up things from garbage use it to the smell. Okay. So when we feel it is dirty, then automatically we cover our nose. Okay. So here we feel very bad when we walk near a heap of garbage, But the children who spend their whole day picking up things from garbage used to the smell. Okay, that means they are habituated for that garbage smell. Okay, okay, next one. Is a smell good or bad for everyone in the same way, or does it depend on how each one feels about it? Okay, it was the question. Is a smell good or bad for everyone in the same way? Does it depend on how each one feels about it? Okay, what was the answer? Smell depends on how people think about it. But some smells are always bad for most of the people. Okay, children? Smell depends on how people think about it. But some smells are always bad for most of the people. Okay? Next one. What was the first question? Write the names of 10 animals whose ears can be seen. Whose ears can be seen. That means visible. So here cat, rat, dog, tiger, goat, cow, giraffe, elephant, rabbit and lion. Okay, these animals' ears are visible. Not only these, some other animals also, like buffalo. So such type of animals. Okay, so write the names of some animals whose ears are bigger than our ears. Okay, so bigger than our ears అంటే మన చెవుల కన్నా పెద్దవిగా ఉండే. Okay, okay, elephant, cow, rabbit, buffalo, dog, etc. Okay. So is there some link between the size of animals' ears and their hearing? Okay. Yes. The animals with larger ears can hear better because their ears can collect more sound waves. Okay. So can you understand the sounds of some animals? Which animals? Yes, I can understand sounds of some animals like dog, cat, horse, cow, etc. Okay. Now last one. Do some animals understand your language? Which ones? Yes, some animals. That means few pet animals like dog, cow, cat, parrot, etc. So can understand our language. Okay. Okay. So here some national parks. So what are these? These are national parks. Nowadays animals are in danger. Why? Because their body parts are being sold. So that's why government made some forests as protected areas. So these are protected areas. Okay. What are those? First one, Kaziranga National Park, and it is in Assam. Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh, Periyar National Park in Kerala, Gir National Park in Gujarat, Satpura National Park, Madhya Pradesh, Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal, Mudumalai National Park in Karnataka, Bharatpur National Park, Rajasthan, Vanvihar National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, children, these are national parks. That means these are protected areas. Okay. Okay, children, stay home, stay safe.